ledge, but she can't retreat. The dogs have done their job. They cornered LT.
Carly is an expert hunter now. Carly catches another pair and hauls his kills off onto a tree. Carly tries to suffocate the prey to death by holding the dog necks, but the lucky dog managed to escape from the grasp of the leopard. When the opportunity arises, the leopard kills small dogs. The size of the prey mainly depends on the size of the leopard, as larger cat can take down large animals. Carly holds all the skills to hunt prey. He's an expert killer dog. He's an expert hunter of pets of people living his territory. Leave the pet at a risk of being attacked by Carly. He enters into the house of people and attacks dogs when they are indeed asleep. The leopard was hiding behind the bushes, watching the dog's movement very carefully. The poor dog came near the leopard unknowingly. The poor dog made a mistake by entering into the territory of Royal Bengal tiger. But the hungry tiger did not want to miss this opportunity. He immediately attacked the dog. The poor dog fails to defend itself from the huge prey.
Well trained. It takes teamwork and nerve to get this close to a deadly jaguar.
Two brave dogs cornered a leopard. They have circled the leopard and their loud bursts confuse the leopard, and it's difficult for the leopard to pinpoint from where the attack is coming from. Leopard tries to flee from the side. Another two more dogs join the chase. The group of four dogs is enough to successfully bring down this poor leopard.
On the defensive, cat-like, she instinctively seeks the heights, a narrow ledge, but she can't retreat.